Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add extra baggage on Ryanair. Let's go ahead and dive in. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open your preferred web browser and navigate to ryanair.com. In the website, click on the login button located at the top right corner of the home page and log in using any of the sign up methods that you chose. Once logged in, head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on My Bookings tab. And once you click on that, it's going to take you to a window where you see a list of your upcoming flights. I have not booked any flight recently. There's literally nothing to show. But if you have, you'll be able to manage all your bookings here. Identify the booking to which you wish to add extra baggage. And once you identify the booking, click on the Manage This Booking button next to it. Once you click on Manage This Booking, this will open the booking details page for that specific flight. On the booking details page, locate and click on the Add Bags/Equipment option. Add Bags/Equipment option. Here you have the opportunity to select additional baggage options such as 10 kg check-in bag, and now this is ideal for those needing a bit more space. And of course you have the 20 kg check-in bag, which is suitable for larger packing needs. I'd like you to note that you can add up to 3 20 kg check bags per person. Sweet. After selecting your desired baggage options, proceed to the payment section. Of course, review your selections and enter your payment details, and once confirmed, click Pay Now to complete a transaction. Upon successful payment, you receive an updated email itinerary reflecting the added baggage. Ensure to check your inbox for this confirmation. Remember, you can add extra baggage to your booking up to 2 hours before the scheduled departure time of your flight. It is advisable to make these changes well in advance to avoid any last-minute issues. And that's it. You have successfully added extra baggage to your Ryanair booking using the Ryanair web app. So go over this tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.